on behalf of IGO Agritech for indoor hydroponics. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. All the best. Please come. So this is our real, what do you say, an aggressive project for an indoor spacing. Here we have done around, it's around totally 950 square feet. In 950 square foot. We have gone around 2,700 net pots we have kept. So it's a fantastic project where we have packed with all net pots, and every 4 net pots we give you 1 kg. So 1 kg might go around 200 rupees. So that is that is how this project can deliver you values. It's such a fantastic project, and this is happening at Madipakkam. So our module was, you can take a rental house for 5,000, 6,000, and in 1,000 square feet, you can earn up to 70,000 to 80,000 rupees. So this is the business model on which these projects are operated. That's a fantastic indoor hydroponic projects where we are using grow lights. You can see all these grow lights, and this is what we have done. So these plants are grown indoors and with grow lights and hydroponic multi-layer vertical technology, where we are going to produce greens, microgreens. Venkatesh, explain about it.
ஒரு லிவிங் ரூம் அவுட்டில் நம்ம ஒரு இன்டோர் ஹைட்ரோபோனிக் நம்ம மாற்றி வச்சுருக்கோம். இருக்கிற ஹாலில் நம்ம 2 டைப் பிளான் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். 2 டைப் என்னன்னு சொல்லி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, அதில் ஒரு 8 நெட் பாட் இருக்கும், இதுலேயும் ஒரு 8 நெட் பாட் இருக்கும். இருக்கிற 2 பெட்ரூம்லேயும் நம்ம ஈச் பெட்ரூம்லேயும் நம்ம 540 நெட் பாட் பிளான் பண்ணியிருக்கோம்.
And each project will have one maintenance engineer, hydroponic engineer from IGO Agritech, who will be maintaining these projects on AMC. So customer need not spend time or here to maintain these projects. It will be exclusively maintained from the company, and the produce will also be taken on buyback from the customer. So what do you feel about the project?
It's really great. The IGO is providing such a support for the newcomers and providing infra as well as a buyback and as well as a AMC for the crop. It is really amazing, and I suggest that people can understand this one and they can grow themselves.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wish you all the best.